Hello friends, thank you. Today I showing you how to collect road data from OpenStreet and using ArcGIS and Qgis software for processing this data, and you can collect any place in this world to from this way. And so first of all I going to OpenStreet map and just searching Google to OpenStreet, and the result is coming here, OpenStreetMap. Then go to this site, and I need to choose some area for my collect road data. So first of all I need to zoom out where I need to collect this data, and I need to select which data I need to collect. So I just trying to this area around Naরায়ণগঞ্জ Sadar Upazila. So I just select this area, click the export button, and in here there is a manual select a different area. So I just click and I manually select my area which is more preferable for me. So I just roughly covered my Naরায়ণগঞ্জ area with a larger amount area. In here I just covered my study area. So I just select this area with a rectangle, and then I going to overpass API for downloading this data. I just click here, and then this is all about your internet speed, how much time you need to process this data, and this data is downloaded. So if in here some time is needed for processing this data. So if you know proper study area, you can minimize this size. So or you have a good internet connection for download this data. So my data is already downloaded, and this name is map file, and I go to this map file. I just cut it and going to my required destination, and I go to the here, and I just create a new folder. Name is OpenStreet, and in here I just paste this data. So now I need to process this data type file, and I need to now help to using help of QGIS. So if you have not already installed this software, please go to this site Qgis, and this is open source software for GIS. You can download it in here and install your your PC. Then you work processing this map file in this way. So I just click QGIS, open my QGIS software, then I go to this icon for importing my data. So here is my tab, and I going to vector option, and then I click to my required data which I just save. I just open it, and I click add. In here there are many different type of different type of layers. So I need to line layer, because we are all know that road is always represent as a line layer. So I just select this line layer, and I click OK. Then keep some time to prepare this loading this data. So my data is loaded in my QGIS platform. Then I need to export it as a shapefile format. So I need to go to uh, this file as a feature as shapefile. So in here, this is format is shapefile, and this is my projection. And in here, I just give a location for it. So I go to my destination, and in here I just write down Shodor area, and my file type is history shapefile or .shp. So I just save, click it OK. So here is my shapefile, and this is my shapefile data. So now in next time I need to more process, to more processing for this data. So I just in here all are in here, all data is river and road commonly found, and I need to separate this data in ArcGIS platform. So I just close down this QGIS environment, and then I go to ArcGIS. In here I already imported my Shodor shape file, so I just clip it down in next couple of times after. So I just add data. So my data is here. So here is my data. So this is my data, and I need to just remove my other data like river. So I go to attribute table and open my attribute table, and in here this is highway, where many field are empty. So I need to remove this empty area. So I need to remove this empty area from my shapefile. So here is so now I need to go to start editing. Now going to selection, select by attributes. So here is my shapefile selected, and I need to click highway equal to empty, whereas data is empty. That types of row I selected by this query. So I need to verify is it right or wrong. So I need to verify, and this is the expression is successfully verified. That means my query is true, or query is okay. So now I need to ap apply for it, and I select my empty row where highway fire field is empty. So I need to remove this data using this cross icon, and now I need to save this data, and I need to stop editing. So here is my data, and most of unwanted data will remove in this way. Now I need to select clip for my required study area data. So I need to go to clip analysis, and here is my, I just confused which data is, so I just rename my data. So I just rename my data, and then I going to again clip. So here is my int feature is Marango's Shodor, the whole data of road network, and I need to clip this study according to this study area, and I need to save this data, and my folder destination is, here. This is only road. Now I'm going to save this data and click OK, and my now this shapefile is clipped this road network, and I finally found this road network of Rangos Shodor. So please wait some time for processing this data into ArcGIS, and my data is already clipped. So here is my clipped data. I just untick this whole data set, and this is my road network of Naranganj Shodor Upojela. And in here, this is the main highway road network. So this is the way you can collect your desired road network from any area in this world using OpenStreetMap, and this is very efficient. If you have a need more accurate data, you can go to you can convert this data into a KML in Art Earth Google Earth, and then you modify this data set in there with high resolution of satellite image, then prepare it, and then you can add more data within according to your requirement. So this is very helpful, I think. And the now my tutorial is today is finished, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and hope you are all enjoy this video. Thank you.